Chinchilla is a kit. The South American chinchilla looks like a cute little mouse, which is hardly surprising, as it is a rodent. It was named after the Chincha native people who once lived in the Andes region of this continent. High altitudes are the type of climate in which this lovely little creature with its thick and soft fur lives. Amazingly, each hair follicles on its little body sprouts an average of 60 hairs, but alas, it is that fur that has seen the little chinchilla almost hunted to extinction by man. Today, it is listed as critically endangered on the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. Killed mercilessly to produce coats for man, it cost 150 chinchilla lives to produce one full-length coat for a human. It's disgraceful. Today most chinchillas slaughtered for their fur are bred in captivity, but in spite of this, 90% of the remaining wild species vanished in the first 15 years of the 21st century alone because that hunting relentlessly continues. It's just too cruel. Compared to other rodents, chinchillas take a lot longer to produce their kits, some 3 months longer in fact. When the babies are born, however, they are already covered in their fur and their eyes usually open immediately. It's not really advisable to try to keep a chinchilla as a pet. Because they're naturally high-altitude creatures, they require a great deal of work, dental care, and temperature control for their comfort. Even if the temperature is carefully monitored, they are prone to convulsions if they become overheated or if their diet is unbalanced. They also like to take dust baths several times a week by rolling in ground-up pumice rock dust. This of course is produced by volcanoes, so you'd have to find and move to an active high volcano in the Andes or the Himalayas to maintain maximum comfort for your little chinchilla. Impossible. Then why not release your little chinchilla back into the wild instead? Somewhere cold and safe. Somewhere they can live happily and free and, hopefully, completely unthreatened by man.